The Toyota Camry hardly needs an introduction, as it has been an automotive staple for nearly 4 decades. This bread-and-butter family sedan is still selling in droves, despite a shift in consumer preferences toward crossovers. After receiving a mild facelift for the 2021 model year, the Camry soldiers on primarily unchanged for 2022. But what are the new Camry selling features? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest tech and automobile news. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more exciting content. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you are always up to date with our latest videos as soon as they're uploaded. In this video today, we will be talking about the all-new 2022 Toyota Camry. So clearly, you do not want to miss out on this. And so, without further ado, let's start with today's video. As we advance in technology, we can now forget the dull old Toyota Camry sedans of yore, as the latest model is fun and stylish. Even in its hybrid form, there is now a Camry for just about every want or need, too, at least for potential buyers willing to look beyond SUVs. The new 2022 Toyota Camry shares a nameplate with the generations that came before. However, its extroverted styling and performance model makes it almost unrecognizable. That might be mainly because the current Toyota Camry is pretty much the most compelling it has ever been. The standard, albeit humdrum, 4-cylinder engine of the Camry is economical and fine for daily driver duty, and the hybrid version maximizes fuel economy, even if its acceleration is uneventful. That leaves the lusty 301 horsepower V6 to pick up the pace, mainly on the sport-tuned Toyota Camry TRD, which is also entertaining to drive. While rivals like the Hyundai Sonata and Honda Accord are more refined overall, the Toyota has its own desirable qualities, like a full variety of standard active safety features, as well as goodwill generated by many years of proven reliability. The Toyota Camry serves a purpose that is to deliver reliable and practical transportation for families. It is not the most exciting midsize sedan available, but some buyers will be okay with that. Some variants of the Camry serve this purpose better than others, though. Despite its sporty intentions, the TRD variant provides underwhelming performance, a harsh ride, and a lack of amenities, undermining the Camry's ultimate goal of being an everyday drivable sedan. However, the XSE hybrid delivers the goods. Its smooth, quiet powertrain, solid ride, interior goodies, and excellent fuel economy make it one of the better models in Toyota's lineup. Strong crash scores, abundant safety features, and traditionally good IntelliChoice value ratings add to the Camry's appeal. But don't get it confused. The Camry is not a segment leader. Performance and handling can't compare to rivals like the Honda Accord. The Accord is more comfortable and spacious too. The standard 4-cylinder engine of the new Camry pairs with the silky 8-speed automatic, disappointing its acceleration numbers. The less powerful version of that engine works with 2 electric motors and battery to power the Toyota Camry Hybrid, which is no more exciting to drive than the base powertrain. The real gem of this new lineup is the velvety 301 horsepower V6 that is available on the XSE and XLE models, as well as the TRD variant. It's surprisingly responsive handling and a controlled ride. The steering of the Camry is pleasantly weighted and feels substantial when it is cornered and light when maneuvering in parking lots. Experts found the Camry's brake pedal response and not so soft, even in the hybrid model, in which it must meld friction with regenerative braking, where its energy from braking is used to recharge the Camry Hybrid's battery pack. However, at lower speeds, the hybrid's brake pedal is hypersensitive, making parking maneuvers a bit of a herky-jerky affair. The whole Camry lineup performed exceptionally well in the EPA's tests, and a 4-cylinder model did great in its real-world highway testing. Moreover, the most efficient non-hybrid Camry models are the LE and SE with the 4-cylinder engine, which earned EPA estimates of 39 miles per gallon highway and 28 miles per gallon city. The base LE hybrid made ratings of 51 miles per gallon city and 53 miles per gallon highway. A 4-cylinder Camry SE will return 45 miles per gallon in its highway test, beating its own EPA rating by almost 6 miles per gallon, and making it the most economical non-hybrid car we've ever tested. It even beat the Camry XLE hybrid experts tested by 1 miles per gallon. However, the hybrid's upper trims sacrifice some efficiency at the altar of luxury, and models powered by the V6 earned ratings of 33 miles per gallon highway and 22 miles per gallon city. Car experts have driven the Toyota Camry in both top-level XLE models and in its SE trim as well. Both are reported to be comfortable and spacious, and the XLE is just downright luxurious. However, there is a severe gap in material quality between the entry-level models and the more expensive versions. The center area of the dashboard left some of us cold with its uninspired design. The new Camry is a large sedan, and there is plenty of cargo space and interior storage in its trunk and cabin with the rear seat folded. The automaker relocated the Camry Hybrid's battery from the trunk to beneath the rear seats, so hybrid owners do not have to sacrifice carrying capacity for the extra miles per gallon. It's not the best in every storage category, but it's thoroughly competitive overall. The 2022 Camry also has a spacious cabin with an imaginative design, with seating for 5 passengers, though it is not perfect inside. It has been rated at 7 out of 10, with points above average for a considerable size trunk, which holds 15.1 cubic feet of room in hybrid or gas models, and the front seat room, which holds 15.1 cubic feet of room in hybrid or gas models, and the front seat room. Overall, the new Camry measures about 192 inches long, making it perfect by mid-size sedan standards. The front seat riders have good seats that can be covered in cloth or leather and offer heat and cooling for an extra amount. The back seat has a low roof line that can leave taller passengers ranging for headspace, though 38.0 inches of back legroom is more than many compact crossovers. Toyota's touchscreen infotainment system, called Entune 3.0, is standard across the Camry lineup. Entune has loads of features and responds reasonably well to user inputs in its tests. And Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility are also a standard. The Camry XLE, XSE, and TRD all include a 9.0-inch infotainment setup that was new for 2021, and that system offers integrated navigation as an option. For folks who want a little something more than what the base audio offers, a JBL 9 speaker system is standard on the XLE V6 and the XSE V6, or optional on the Camry TRD. Furthermore, the latest Camry is a strong performer in IIHS safety testing, earning a 2021 Top Safety Pick Plus. Toyota's midsize sedan also receives a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA. Standard safety features are impressive on the Camry. Toyota includes its Toyota Safety Sense collection as standard, including a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, road sign assist, and adaptive cruise control. Lane tracing assist is also standard, which uses the lines on the road to keep the vehicle centered in its lane. The new Toyota Camry does not exactly brim with sophistication, but its styling is interesting and intriguing. A few extra exterior tweaks last year carried out freshness into 2022. The new Camry has a short trunk and a long nose that gives it rear drive proportions more than European luxury cars. The all-wheel drive can be optioned with the base engine and some trim levels. Otherwise, the front-wheel drive is standard. Its detailing is anything, however, with sharp creases and lines everywhere you look. It is indeed different, and it may work well for many users. The new 2022 Toyota Camry really is a fantastic vehicle. The latest Camry rates 7.2 out of 10 on the TCC scale, thanks to its all-around competence and personality. The Camry lineup starts around $26,000, but we would budget for around $30,000 for a well-equipped hybrid version. Well guys, that is all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the new 2022 Toyota Camry? Will you be buying the new Camry? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed today's episode and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be kept up to date with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.